The only cure for procrastination is immediate action. Any of you ever been depressed?
Yes.
Where you wake up and try to go back to sleep? I literally counted one day that I pressed the snooze button 7 times. 63 minutes. It's a whole hour later, just waking up, going back to sleep, waking up, going back to sleep. I got in the car, listening to the cackling radio host on V103, going to work, answering email, going to meetings, checking in. This couldn't be my life. So I changed the way I woke up, and it changed everything about me. So step 1, as we climb through these stairs of success, is get up. Everybody say it to yourself. Say, get up. Yeah. I don't give a lot of prescriptions because I'm not a medical doctor, but I give you the recipe for starting the process of starting a powerful day. Because the #1 reason people share with me that they have trouble getting their goals achieved, getting to success on their terms, is they don't have time. Let me find you 1 hour up front. They say the first hour is the rudder of the day. It sets the course for how you're going to navigate. Get up, no snooze. Exercise. Gratefully visualize what's going to happen in your day. Affirm out loud. In 1 hour, you will differentiate yourself before you ever meet anyone else, but more importantly, before the world hijacks your mind. Does that make sense? How many of you understand that if you get up right, it gets easier to make the next steps happen? Because the next step after you get up is show up. Now you're in a position and a posture to show up differently. Not just to the places where you have been going, but also to the places you should go. Step 3, step up. You gotta actually move yourself to do things that are uncomfortable to you. Like your success right now is outside your comfort zone. Yes or yes? Yeah. Where can I step up? Where can I stretch myself outside of what's comfortable to me? What you think is possible has nothing to do with your physical reality. Impossible, as a matter of fact, is one of those tattletale words. It says, I'm possible. I'm possible. Find a place to stretch yourself beyond what was possible for you yesterday, because today you got up and showed up. You're a new person. You're ready to step up to a higher level. You just don't know what it is yet. Getting up, showing up, and stepping up. The next most logical, most powerful thing in your development will begin to occur naturally. Mess up. I want to give you my personal permission to make mistakes. Alstenia was the first person to ever fire me from a volunteer job. She said, no, Richard, this is not going to work, no. But messing up is critical. They say that a man that doesn't make any mistakes usually doesn't make anything else. So make the mistakes and understand that it's a natural part of the growth process. And the reality is, it's impossible to get better and look good at the same time. So make the mistakes and learn the lesson. Get up, show up, step up, mess up, and never give up. How many of you have ever had a goal but quit a little bit? You know what I'm talking about? You never can tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems so far. So stick to your fight when your heart is hit. It's when things seem worse that you must not quit. We're going to blow up whatever your thing is. What is your thing? Call it out. Procrastinate, whatever your thing is, we're going to blow it up. So go half speed, half volume, so we don't scare anybody. We go, You blow it up. Let that thing be a piece of your past and not a part of how you build your future. And understand that your gift, your blessing, your message is always under attack. So when you find yourself faced with an opportunity to sit back, lay back, and do less than your calling, 3, 2, 1, boom, we're going to blow it up. So we're going to count it down. 3, 2, 1, boom! Remember to take the steps that you need to take, and I guarantee you'll blow up.